Kennedy, 716 Victor Lima. We're going back to Farmingdale. This is not going to work out.
Roger, how's the flight conditions?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Flight conditions?
We're in 5. We're trying to get down below to get back to Farmingdale.
November 6 Victor Lima, you going to try to track the same route that you took going from Republic?
I'm trying to, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, Roger. Are you IFR capable?
I am, the ship is.
Okay, Cap. Helicopter 6 Victor Lima, do you have the Ocean Parkway in sight?
No, I have nothing in sight, sir.
Okay, so you're just in a hover there?
Trying to get back to Farmingdale, but I'm having a little problem.
Okay, stand by 1 second. And 6 Victor Lima, I'm showing that it appears you're just over the Jones Beach Inlet. What's your direction of flight? Do you have that? What's the heading?
I don't.
Victor Lima, you're coming a little broken. It's probably due to your altitude and distance. Try again.
I'm trying to head like a north into Farmingdale.